Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Cookie, we'll be making sausage roll at home. A very simple, easy sausage roll making. Thank you. To make this sausage roll, we'll be needing our sausage. I use my chicken lunch on to make this. I added my onions, then two eggs, then blend it together to get a fine texture. Depending on what you have, you can add some spice. I just use plain because it contains salt already. Then I transfer it to a coin. Well, after doing that, the next thing I'll be doing is to prepare my dough. I have my flour. I added my baking powder. I added some salt. Yes, and also added some nutmeg. It's optional, but I love nutmeg inside my dough when making my sausage. Yeah, after doing that, you add a spoon of sugar. Try this. This gives you a nice taste for sausage roll. Mix thoroughly with your whisk or anything that you're using to mix. After mixing this, what you'll be going in next with is your butter. Your butter is very important for this recipe. You can use your salted butter, you can use your unsalted butter. I use margarine for this recipe. So when you put it into your flour, you rub it together to get a crunchy, flexy uh, dough. This is very very important, as you can see how cracking is. The next thing, I'm adding my eggs. This egg helps you to give you a smooth and fluffy dough after our baking. Then I'm going in with my milk. Feel free to use whatever, but I use milk for this because I want it to be so yummy and very filling when eating it. Yes, this is one of the best sausage roll you can see around the world today. Then the next I'll be doing, I set that aside and I grease my baking pan. The next thing I do after 30 minutes of covering the dough, I bring it out to knead it together, then roll it out to cut out the particular shape I want to make my sausage roll. This stage is very very important. Roll it out. Ensure your dough is very smooth and nice to be able not to stick to the surface. But there's enough butter there. Definitely, there's no need of you adding flour in order to stretch out. After stretching out, then you cut it to the desired shape that you want. I use knife then cut the edges to give me that rectangular shape which I'll be rolling out. Depend on how you want thick you want your sausage roll to be. I love my sausage roll to be filling, as in outside should be like fill up. Then I rub egg at the edge of the dough in order to help me to lap it together when rolling. Then I added my sausage. Then I roll it to the desired shape I want. I love my sausage very thick and also filled with a very juicy, nice sausage. See the way I roll it out, perfect shape, so nice. It's so beautiful. This I'll transfer it to my baking tray. Then I go ahead to make the same process for others in order to get enough number of sausage. It's very very important for you to ensure that you rub egg at the edge in order to lap it so it will not have to tear apart or to loose when baking. It's very very important to do that. Roll it just the way you want it to be. You can roll it in a very large size, then you cut it to your desired size that you want. If you want the shorter one, good or fine. The next I will do is to rub my egg on the dough. Yes, to rub it. You have to give it that golden brown when it's finally done. It's very, very important to rub your egg on the dough. Very, very important because this will give it another beautiful look, very attractive. After doing this, I use my fork to give it a very nice design. I love the design. Now feel free to do other design, but this design is what I love. The height is very stretched on top. It gives you another look entirely. By this time, your oven is already heating up. After doing it, I will moving this to my oven to bake for like 20 to 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes, this dough will be ready. It doesn't take that much time. And yeah, look at our sausage roll. Please let me know if you'll be trying this sausage roll. It's so nice and filling. Let me know if you'll be trying it. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button so you get notified anytime I upload video. Also share, comment. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'll be trying this. Bye.